In this video, we are validating the accuracy of a GPT assistant by comparing its analytical results directly with Excel formula outputs. Both are using the same sales Excel file shown on screen. The dataset contains sales data, including invoices, regions, and sales. The source file remains identical for both methods. First, we calculate the required metrics using Excel formulas. These formulas apply aggregation logic directly on the dataset. Which is the traditional approach for data validation. Now, we are running the same analytical requests using the GPT assistant. The assistant reads the same data. And returns the corresponding calculated results. Let's compare both outputs side by side. As shown on screen, the results are identical. Each value, each total, and each filtered outcome produced by GPT matches the Excel formula results exactly. This confirms that the GPT assistant is processing the dataset correctly. The matching results demonstrate computational accuracy. And consistency with traditional spreadsheet logic. We can conclude that GPT provides reliable analytical results. That are fully aligned with Excel formulas. It delivers the same accuracy. With significantly faster interaction and simpler usage.